Today we will see about packages. A Java package is a group of similar types of classes, interfaces and sub-packages. A package is like a folder, okay? A folder that contains multiple classes for some similar purpose. There are two types of packages, inbuilt package and user defined package, okay? For example, java.io.star. This package is basically for input and output classes, like system is the input class. Then java.util.star, javax.swing.star. The swing package has all swing classes like JOption pane, JButton, JCheckbox, JRadio button, etc. So all the classes that starts from J are in the package swing. Those are also called as swing classes. So in this topic we will learn about user defined packages. Okay, we are now going to create our own package. Package is nothing but a folder. So we are now going to create our own package and add some classes in that package and then access those classes like java.io.star, util.star, like that. Let us see now user defined package. Consider our package name is arithmetic and it has a class name called as operations. See here, arithmetic is a package and operations is the name of class which is included in this package. We can also add number of classes like 1, 2, 3, many, 4, etc. Okay, we can add any number of classes in this package. So basically we are going to follow these 4 steps. In first step we are creating a package arithmetic. Then second step, add classes in this package. For example, I will create operation class and add that class in this package. Next step, our package is ready. Now import the package for use. And the last step is access the classes from that package. जसं की आता आपण java.util.star हे पॅकेज यूज केलं आहे, त्याच्यातला आपण स्कॅनर क्लास यूज करतो, हो की नाही? त्याच पद्धतीने आपण अरिथमेटिक हे पॅकेज क्रिएट करणार आहोत आणि त्याच्यात ऑपरेशन्स क्लास ॲड करायचा आहे. ऑपरेशन्स क्लास नंतर आपल्याला ॲक्सेस करायचा आहे दुसऱ्या प्रोग्राममध्ये. सो लेट अस सी अवर फर्स्ट स्टेप. दिस इज माय फोल्डर ॲट H drive, TYBSC Java Online Teaching. In this folder, I have created a folder named as arithmetic. जे पण तुमचं पॅकेज नेम असेल त्याच सेम नावाचं फोल्डर क्रिएट करायचं. सो मी इथे फोल्डरला नाव दिलं आहे अरिथमेटिक. आलं लक्षात? नेक्स्ट let us open the text pad. In this text pad I am going to create a class operations. For example, public class operation. This is simple class. It has one method addition. It takes 2 parameters of type integer, return that their addition. Okay, it is a simple class having one method addition. Now we are having a folder arithmetic in our root folder TYBSC Java Teaching. Add the statement package arithmetic. See here very carefully, package arithmetic. जे पण तुम्ही पॅकेज क्रिएट केलं आहे त्याचं फक्त हे स्टेटमेंट ॲड करायचं. जो म्हणजे क्लास क्रिएट करा, ह्या प्रोग्रामला ऑपरेशन्स डॉट जावा या नावानेच सेव्ह करायचं आहे आणि त्याच्यावरती हे स्टेटमेंट ॲड करायचं पॅकेज अरिथमेटिक. याचा अर्थ असा होतो की हे हा जो क्लास आहे ऑपरेशन्स हा अरिथमेटिक या पॅकेजमध्ये ॲड झाला आणि ऑलरेडी हा आपण प्रोग्राम कुठे सेव्ह केला आहे तर अरिथमेटिक या फोल्डरमध्ये सेव्ह केला आहे. ठीक आहे, 2 गोष्टी करायच्या आहेत. जो पण क्लास तुम्हाला ॲड करायचा तो क्लासचा प्रोग्राम करा. या इथे कुठेही मेन क्लास नाही आहे. ओके, इट डझंट हॅव मेन क्लास. सो ॲड दिस क्लास इन द फोल्डर arithmetic and add the statement package arithmetic. Now compile this one. Okay, do not run this program. So only compile it so that it is error free. Our first step is completed. In first step we had created arithmetic folder. Second step we have created a class operation and added that class in the package arithmetic. Okay, now next steps are create package arithmetic, add classes in this package. Or step 3 is import the package for use and access the classes from that package. Now we are going to implement our step 3 and 4. See here, this is the program called as test package. We are now going to test our package arithmetic. See here, import arithmetic dot star. In previous step we have already created this package. So as the inbuilt package import java.io.star, we are also importing our own user defined package import arithmetic.star. This is the here it is a main class test package main method. Now see here, we have created object of that operations class. Okay, object of this class in our test package, and then pass two values to the addition method and call the addition method here. Okay, see the output. That package will add these two numbers 10 and 11 and the output is 21. So we have imported the package arithmetic, step 3, and step 4 access the class operations. Okay, operations from package arithmetic. Do not forget to declare this class as a public class. So if you want to add another class in this package arithmetic, then you can simply add by create a new program, save that program using the class main, and only add the statement package arithmetic before the class. So you can add any number of classes in this package arithmetic.